Violent state security agents have raided Olinda Harare home. The incident unfolded in real time on Facebook Live, where the visibly distressed woman was heard shouting instructions to children and family members as chaos erupted inside the house. In the footage, she alleges that security agents assaulted her children and staff, forcibly seized mobile phones, and attempted to abduct or kill a man identified as Desmond. Sabira mashobranyi kwachinze Olinda Harare home raided by violent CIO. When was subscribe or like on the bell, I will tip down the mobile conscience in quotes. Come back. They hate the children. These people, Daisy, come back. Nandi, come into the house. What is it that they want to kill you for? She cried during the broadcast, which continued even after one of her phones was allegedly confiscated. She claimed the officers did not realize she had activated a second phone and placed it on a live recording, capturing the confrontation as it escalated. At one point, she alleged that a child was beaten until bleeding and that his staff were assaulted while their phones were taken. Everything that they did to the kids was on live camera. They think my phone didn't back up. I recorded everything, she said. In the emotionally charged video, the socialite named several individuals she accused of orchestrating the attack, alleging abuse of power, personal vendettas, and the use of state security structures for private disputes. She further claimed one of the victims, identified as Tawanda, was bleeding following the incident. They reportedly insisted that she is a British citizen and not Zimbabwean, declaring she would seek immediate protection and redress from the British Embassy. In quotes, I am going to the British Embassy physically. I am a British citizen. I am protected. All this has been recorded. Throughout the broadcast, she denied any political affiliation or threat to the state, framing the incident as an unlawful and personal attack on her family. As of publication, police and government authorities had not issued an official statement responding to the allegations. The identities of the officers involved and the exact circumstances surrounding the raid remain unverified. The incident is to growing public concern of alleged abuse of state power, use of force against civilians, and the chilling effect such encounters have on personal safety and freedom in Zimbabwe's capital. Tomashukara pangwa ine pamusoro pe raid yoitika kumbako Olinda. Pina comment section menu za funguro enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.